The driving test includes a theory test, hazard perception test, and practical exam. The theory test assesses your road knowledge, while the hazard perception test checks your ability to identify dangers. The practical exam evaluates your driving skills. Understanding this process is crucial for aspiring drivers to improve their chances of success. The driving test consists of stages that every learner driver must go through. Firstly, an eyesight check ensures good vision. This is usually 20 meters away from a license plate of a car. Then, the examiner assesses the candidate's knowledge and asks safety-related questions or show-me-tell-me questions about the car. The practical driving test covers road conditions and maneuvers. Independent driving follows, where directions are given by the examiner. To pass the driving test, you need specific documents. Get a provisional license online or with the D1 form. Bring an ID and proof of address. Pay £23 for the theory test, and £62, £75 on weekends, for the practical test. Don't forget to gather all the documents and fees before booking to avoid delays. Booking the driving test appointment is one of the many crucial steps towards passing your test. You can do it online or by calling the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency (DVSA). Make sure you have your provisional license number, preferred test center, and payment details ready. Once booked, you'll receive a confirmation email with the test date, time, and location. Remember to prepare well by studying the highway code and practicing your driving skills. Good luck on your driving test and safe travels. We would also like to mention before you book your test, we advise you speak to your driving instructor as they will recommend a date for when you should book your test for. A key indicator which shows you are ready for your test is when you are passing your mock tests regularly with no major or serious mistakes. After successfully passing the UK driving test, you will receive your full driving license within 3 weeks. Take this opportunity to refine your driving skills and gain confidence on the road. In case you fail the test, don't be discouraged. Analyze your mistakes, practice the areas you struggled with an approved driving instructor, and book a retest to ace it next time. Embrace the learning experience and strive for success on your journey towards becoming a safe and responsible driver for life.